Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we'll be drawing Big Bird from Sesame Street. So when we start along the top center of our page, let's add a curve for the top of the beak. Starting from the left side, we're going to bend this up in the middle and then down towards the right. Now let's layer the tip of the beak on top. So from here on the left, we're going to step over, go across, round out the beak, come down and then up towards the corner of the mouth on the right. Let's close off the end with a curve. Now let's open up the mouth. Starting up here on the left, we're going to bend this in and then down, round out the mouth, and then go up underneath. And then in the center, we're going to add the tongue. We're just going to trace the mouth along the inside. Let's draw the bottom of the beak. We're going to step over, tracing the mouth, coming down, across, up, and then out. Now we're going to connect the top and bottom with a curve going around the cheek, the corner of the mouth, and then back in. Let's go up to the top. We're going to draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to overlap the right on top of the left. So we're going to start in the center of the beak, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then tuck that in. Let's draw that same size circle on the left. So we're going to start right in the middle, go up, around, and then in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, draw a small circle, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw in the eyelids. From the left side along the bottom, curve this up, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to trace the eyelid along the outside. Now with the face complete, let's draw the bottom half of the head. So we're going to start on the left side. Let's bend this out, curves around, and then in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're just going to line up the top, going up, and then in. And we'll continue to add these curves coming down and then in behind the beak. Coming down and then up. Let's add another one. Coming down and up. Now one more time, curving this in towards the mouth. Let's draw the top of the head, starting back on the left, going out and then down. Let's do that again, going up and then down. Now I'm going to continue across the top of the head. So let's start back on the left, going up. I'm just going to slightly brush this over towards the right. Let's add a couple more. And then one small one to close it off. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start underneath the head, curve this down and out, and then bend that in. So across the neck. Let's go back to the left. We're going to go out, around the elbow, and then up. Let's add another one. Coming down, and then up, across the bottom of the arms. Now I want to pull the hands and arms coming in. So starting back on the left, coming in and then out. Now I'm going to add two more curves, going up towards the top of the arm, then it's across and then down towards the elbow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now in between the arms, we're going to draw the fingers, starting on the left, coming down and then up, step down, there the second finger going up and out, and then the third finger going in. Do that again on the right side, going in the opposite direction. Now underneath the arms, I'm going to close off the body. So start from the left elbow, coming down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm just going to work our way across, just adding these curves. Let's go back inside the head and body and add some texture of feathers. Starting from the left, we're going to draw these little U shapes. And we can just vary the size and then just place them in random areas. Just add a few more along the bottom of the body. Now we're going to add some across the head, but we're going to go around. So let's start from the left side, almost like a C shape. A small one up here, a large one across the top. And then we're just going to work our way across towards the right side of the head. Now let's finish off with the legs. We're going to start right in the middle, draw a straight line coming down to separate the legs, and then we'll draw on that first toe. Start with the left side, coming down and out, right at the toe, and then bend that back in. Let's go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. Let's add 2 more toes on either side, starting from the tip, going out, and bend that in. Now we're going to do that one more time. Starting from the tip, we're going to go all the way around the foot, and then pull that down towards the heel. And we draw the outside leg. Let's start with a straight line on the left and the right. And we're going to add 2 sets of stripes across either side. So on the left side at the very top, curve this down and up, line it up on the right, draw it again. Now I'm going to trace each of these along the bottom. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Big Bird from Sesame Street. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.